Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SAS Viya to Teradata for analytics workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to both SAS Viya and Teradata environments. Open your SAS Viya environment in a web browser. Log in with your credentials to access the platform. Navigate to the administration section in the main menu. Select data connections from the options available. Click on New Connection to initiate the creation of a new data connection. Choose Teradata from the list of available data sources. Fill in the necessary fields such as connection name and description. Enter the hostname or IP address of your Teradata server. Specify the port number, which is typically 1025 or 10250, depending on your configuration. Input your Teradata database name in the designated field. Provide the username and password for the Teradata account you will use. Verify the connection settings to ensure everything is accurate. Click the Test Connection button to confirm the details you entered. If the test is successful, proceed by clicking Save to create the connection. Once the connection is saved, navigate to the SAS Visual Analytics interface. Access the Data tab in your project. Choose Add Data and select from Data Connections. Locate and select the Teradata connection you just created. Browse through the available tables and views in your Teradata database. Select the desired table or view that you want to analyze. Click on Add to import the data into your SAS Viya environment. Once the data is added, review the data properties and make any necessary adjustments. You can now begin building your analytics workflows using the imported Teradata data. Utilize SAS Viya's capabilities to visualize, analyze, and derive insights from the data. Continue developing your analytics projects based on your specific requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.